Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing some free courses that are offered by Coursera for learners in India. And the cool part about this offer is you can also get a free certificate after completing the courses in which you enroll in through this offer. First, let me tell you why this has been given specifically for learners in India. So we all know what India is going through now. India is fighting against COVID-19. India is really having a tough time now, but hope the situation will get better soon and hope India return back to the normal position very soon. So on this note, to help the students and working professionals to gain some skills, Coursera is offering these free courses specifically for learners in India. And I don't know if people staying outside of India can take these courses for free or not. Only you guys can tell me that. If you're watching this video outside of India, check it out. Check whether you can take these courses for free or not. If you are able to take the courses for free, it's well and good. So I hope these free courses will be helpful to you guys. So let's see what are the courses available, what are the topics covered, and I'll also show you how to enroll in the courses and how to take the certificate for free. Everything will be shown in this video. So do not skip it, watch till the end and get all the details. So before we see the courses, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And do not forget to check out 100 plus LinkedIn free courses with certificate post in our website. Just go to answersq.com and at the top you will see a banner like this. And if you just click on this Get Now button, you will see a lot of categories under which you can get free courses in LinkedIn Learning. And the best part is you can also get a free certificate from LinkedIn after completing those courses. I hope you like that as well. So now let us get back to the content of this video. So now let's see the categories and the courses which are available in this offer. So they're offering some free job skill courses which are offered by top universities and companies like Google, Intel, Amazon, and Vanderbilt University. So here are the courses for job skills. So MATLAB courses available for you, Introduction to Intel Distribution, Aruba Networking Basics, Migrating to Google Cloud, and you have courses like Build Your First Android App, Getting Started with AWS Machine Learning, which is offered by Amazon, and you have Introduction to AWS Identity and Access Management, which is again offered by Amazon. And you can see all the courses here. VMware offers a networking and security course. Atlassian offers a version control with Git course. All these courses are available for free, and you can also get a free certificate after completing the courses. And moving on to the next category, you have courses for personal and professional development. You have courses like Code Yourself and Introduction to Programming, which is offered by the University of Edinburgh, which is one of the popular universities in the world, and Foundations of Mindfulness, First Step Korean, and you have courses like Creative Thinking Techniques and Tools for Success, which is offered by Imperial College London. Positive Psychology course, Introduction to Personal Branding course is available, and you have Chinese for Beginners, Demystifying Mindfulness, Sharpened Visions, a poetry workshop, and you have communication strategies for a virtual age, write your first novel, mind shift, break through obstacles to learning and discovery, dog emotion and cognition, and science of success. A lot of courses are available. You can see that here, just goes on and on. How to write a resume. This course will be helpful to students and becoming a change maker. And you have courses like Sit Less, Get Active. So all these courses are available for free in personal and professional development category. You can make use of it. Let's see what is the next category available here. So you have courses for public health. So you have courses like communicating during global emergencies, a life of happiness and fulfillment, science of exercise, COVID-19 contact tracing for nursing professionals, introductory human physiology. You can see all the courses here, and you can note that the courses offered are by top universities and companies here in Coursera as well. So you have courses like global health, challenges of global health, infection prevention, disease clusters. So you have a lot of courses for public health as well. So these are the courses available under these three categories here: public health, personal and professional development, and job skills. So you can get all these courses for free of cost, and you can also get a free certificate after completing the courses. So now let's see how to enroll in these courses. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And do not forget to check out 100 plus LinkedIn free courses with certificate post in AnswersQ. Just head over to answersq.com and you will see a banner like this at the top. Just click on this get now button and you can get a lot of courses in LinkedIn learning across different disciplines like digital marketing, artificial intelligence. You can get a lot of courses. I hope you like that as well. Make use of it. It's a very good platform, LinkedIn Learning. So now let's see how to enroll in these free courses offered by Coursera in this offer. It might be difficult for you guys to take a note of all these courses. So what I'll do is I'll write a post in answers queue and I'll share that where you can get individual course links separately, and I'll also share this official notification as well. So make use of it. So now let's see how to enroll in the courses. For example, let's take this introduction to cloud identity course. So just click on this course and you will be directed to this course page like this, and wait for a few seconds. You will see a banner like this and you can see that now here, free courses for learners in India, enroll today to earn a free certificate. So that means after completing this course you are going to get a free certificate, and you can see that this offer is valid only until June 30, 2021. And if you want to know what are the things that you'll be learning in the course, you can just click on this syllabus here. You'll be moving on to the syllabus section and you can see what are the things you'll be learning and how many weeks this course is. And here you can see the approximate duration and the level of this course and the instructor detail. Everything will be given here. You can see everything, and the skills you will gain is also given here. Can make a note of it. So now let's see how to enroll in. So to enroll in these free courses, first we need an account in Coursera. So for that, just click on this join for free button and you will see a pop-up like this. So here you have to provide your details like your name, email address, password, and then just click on this join for free button, or else you can use your Google or Facebook account to create an account in Coursera. So what you have to do is first create your account in Coursera, and if you already have an account in Coursera, you can just click on this sign in button here and just provide your details and log into your account. So let me log into my account now and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. You can see the name here at the right top, AnswersQ. So once you log in, you'll see your name here. So now let's see how to enroll in this course. Just click on this enroll for free button, and once you click on it, you will see a pop-up like this, free enrollment available until June 30, 2021. So note the date. You have to enroll in the course before this date. I think you can complete the course even after that, and you can see that the price is 0, so you don't have to pay for anything. And you can see the course name here, and just click on this go to course button and you will be automatically enrolled in this course now for free of cost. You can see that here. So this course just contains 1 week of content. So just click on this week 1 and you can just start learning for free. You can just watch the videos and you can complete the assignments and quizzes, whatever is given for you in the particular course. You can just complete it, and after completing the course content and after completing the assignments and quizzes given in the course, you can get your certificate for the courses in which you enroll in. So this is how you need to enroll in the courses through this offer. And now I'll just tell you how to get a certificate after completing the courses. I haven't completed the course yet, so I can't show you how to download the certificate actually. So I'll just tell you, you can just follow these steps. So just click on your name here and in the drop down you will see my courses. Just click on my courses and you will be going to the dashboard like this. So this is your dashboard in Coursera. So here you can see 3 different sections like home, in progress, saved. So if you are doing a course, it will be in progress section, and after completing the courses it will move on to completed section. So once you have completed the course, it will be listed here. So what you have to do is you can just click on this verify ID button and you can just provide your proper details like your name. You just have to verify that, and after that you can see here download certificate button. So with that you can download your certificate after completing the courses. And a lot of people have been asking me about this, how to get a certificate after completing the course in Coursera. If possible, I'll try to do a video separately on how to download a certificate in Coursera. So this is the content for this video. Coursera is offering free courses across different categories for learners in India. I hope you'll make use of this offer, and this offer is valid only until June 30, 2021. So make use of it as soon as possible. So, and if you want to get more free courses like this, you can subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And you can just explore the 100 plus LinkedIn free courses with certificate post in AnswersQ. just head over to answersq.com and you will see a banner like this at the top. Just click on this Get Now button and you can get a lot of courses for free in LinkedIn Learning across different disciplines like digital marketing. You can just make use of it. You can also get a free certificate after completing the courses. I hope you like that. And do not forget to connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.